Hey, baby! Hi! What's wrong? Are you okay?
No.
My face is bigger than this.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning! Good morning, everything.
Oops!
Today is the same clothing yesterday because we just got up and ito na naman yung suot natin. Yeah, last night is raining, right? Raining last night and I guess I'm not watering my plant because it's a lot of water and I can see the thing is wet. Look! They're over there! I told you. The mother and father and the kids. Let me go to the front door, guys. Pakita ko sa inyo. Dahan-dahan tayo kasi marinig nila tayo. Look. Dahan-dahan tayo. Dahan-dahan tayo. Dahan-dahan. Ayan, tingnan nyo guys, sobrang brown na
Wasn't brown, okay.
ha?
Wasn't brown, though.
Yeah, good morning guys. Brown pa rin yung mga grass ng mga kapitbahay. Ang kapitbahay doon, sobrang brown talaga. It's good, it's raining guys kasi bumalik na yung ibang green. Nag-green na yung ibang damo. Kasi ito din patay dahil sa init. Hi baby. Garilyo dito. We need a chair over here. I can't wait to bring mom's chair. Yung mga upuan ni Bianan doon sa ano. Kasi mataas kasi dito. Dito tayo ha. Look, mataas. So kailangan ng mga table. Yung table, upuan, ganon. Konting table para mag-hangout dito. Pwede, ganon. Pwede din dito mag-barbecue. Yung electric barbecue grill. Mag-barbecue dito. Masaya kaya. It's good that it's raining. I'm going to the grocery today early guys. I need to buy what I need to get for tomorrow. Bukas kasi plano namin barbecue with Lloydie and Mark. And then si Tammy yung si Rich ba, yung nakilala niya, inimbita ni Tammy, so hopefully makarating siya bukas. Yung Rich, yung kaibigan ni Tammy. So hopefully Rich will come here tomorrow. that they can see hi to Rich. And Rich can see hi to you guys. Oh my god. But it's a long drive, guys. It's a long freaking drive. 3 hours, right? 3 hours drive. Sobrang layo. They're not, so like, guys, it's already July and this is not happy. And that one is not even blown. Like, supposedly that have a lot of big white thing. That thing over here. But because of the spring, yeah, nag-suffer town sila eh. Dahil sa ano, sa yung spring is parang winter pa rin. So, some trees are really struggling. Yan, habiboy ko.
Hey guys.
Good morning, guys. It's raining, so hopefully hindi tayo maulanan dito. Yung ano ko pala camera maulanan. Yung mic niya is nasa taas. Muni. Guys, I'm going in, Han. Ay, Roxy too. They're waiting over there, like over here, over there. You guys are waiting. You know what? And they're watching. Roxy's watching the window. Hi, baby. Anyway, guys, I'm going to have breakfast. It's cold inside the house. The air conditioning is running. Alis ako, guys. Iwan ko lang si Tami.
So how many bachelors will be on parade? 11 specimens.
I will see you later.
Specimens.
Make that
Okay.
12.
Moon, you're part of this?
Well, I didn't get on the
You're
chair.
going.
I'm
And
leaving
if
now.
history is any indicator, I shall be
You're
a
going for
hot
this one?
ticket
Yeah.
item.
Really?
I love you.
Well,
Who am I to deny women all of this?
Oh, I'm trying to think.
Moon's winning bid was $500.
What do you think? I have the list already.
$500. Someone paid
Okay.
that much money to have dinner with you. Yes.
Yeah.
I love
Which is
you.
awesome. Who was she?
What we still have to have that chocolate
This
almond.
little lady from the club
What?
shop?
To have the almond milk and chocolate one.
Okay.
Ed walked out with 4.
That's it. We have too much already. I have.
Go back and call me times and we eat that.
Oh my god, honey, you threw out
Well,
20
honey,
times.
I don't eat them all, but I eat some of them. You can buy them in a bag. You don't buy them one by one.
Then they get released
2
back
dozen.
into the air,
We
so
want
you
for the
smell them later.
salad for the,
Ew, right? That's why Febreze created small spaces.
Okay.
Press firmly and watch it get to work.
Bango, eh?
Unlike the leading comb, small spaces continuously eliminates odors
It
in
smells
the
so
air
good,
and
this
on
armpit.
surfaces, so they don't come back for 45 days. Now that's one flush and fresh bath.
It's so yummy. Ang bango talaga ng armpits niya. Honey, it so smells good your armpit. Why? Maghinaw tayo. Ha? Oh, I need the car key, right? Where's my car key? Alis tayo. Oy, may mask. I need mask, guys. Okay, hindi pala ito close. 9 o'clock, guys. 9 something o'clock in the morning. Yes, maaga ako ngayong araw. So, Tami, mag-add siya ng magpa-add daw siya ng ano ba yun? Chocolate milk, hot dogs and burger bun, and then meron pa clementines daw. Ay nako, itong si Tami. Okay, ano pa man yan? Yung egg jumbo daw. Okay, let's go. Open the garage. Kailangan na din namin ikat yung sa amin. Ay, ang hugaw talaga. Parang ano ba? We need to cut the grass na. Tomorrow we cannot cut the grass dahil ano, tawag nito, marami ng tao. Hala, may aso. Hold on, is that a dog? Hala, is that a dog? Is that a dog? Is that a dog? Hala. Hala. Oh my God. the dog. Oh, Jesus. May aso na wala. Balikan ko nga yun. Ay, kawawa naman yun. Pero nakakatakot man yung aso na yun. Bulldog. Pero parang friendly siya. Balikan ko nga, guys. Balikan ko, ha. Balikan natin, guys. Balikan natin, ha. Balikan natin. Sana andun pa, guys. Nandito pa. Hey, baby! Hoy! What's wrong? Are you okay?
No.
Are you okay? Dito siya. Hey! Hello? Hey! Hey, are you okay? Naghanap siya ng ano talaga. You wanna come in?
Oh,
Come
no.
in. Come here. Come here. Come here. Hey. Come here. Where are you going? Hey. Come here. Oh, kawawa naman ito eh. Hi. You wanna come up? Here, come here. Come here. Doggy. Hi. Ay, baka mamaak ito eh. Hello. Hello. You wanna come in? Andito lang talaga siya, guys. Andun, oh. Naghanap yan ng ano ba? Kawawa naman ito, eh. Hi guys, so yung aso guys, ayaw niyang ano sa akin, parang ano yun na aso, yung aso na yun is marami akong na balitaan na very aggressive yung aso na yun. Pero para naman siyang friendly, ay iwan ko basta hindi ko magits, ayaw niya kasi kung friendly na friendly yun, katulad siya nung una kong nakita yung dalawang aso, is pupunta yan sa akin talaga. Pumunta siya sa akin, lumapit, pero dahil nasa sasakyan ako, parang natakot siya ba. So, hindi rin ako bumaba sa sasakyan. Pumunta dito sa ano, malapit sa malapit sa door, pero ano talaga, parang takot akong bumaba, kaya umalis na rin siya kasi hindi ako bumaba. Kasi para siyang yung mukha niya ba nakakatakot. Ay, kawawang aso. Yung mga ganyan ba, iniisip ko na lang na yung aso ko pag ganun, wala, 'di ba? Naka ano sila, hindi mo sila makita. Okay guys, alis na tayo guys. Itong dalawang matanda, mas mga 80 at mga 70 plus, mga 80 plus na itong mga lalaki dito nagtambay. Natawa na lang ako. Hinatid ko yung cart na gamit ko. And then itong dalawang lalaki, ano, mga nasa almost, I think mga 80, mga ano, nagtambay doon. Ang trabaho nila yung tagakuha ng cart. sabi pa ng isa, have a good evening. And then sabi ng isa, cute! Natawa ako sa sabi ng isa. Sabi ko, lumingin ako, sabi ko, parang bata. Parang bata ba, diba yung mga bata? May nag-cute-cutan pa pala sa akin, guys. Parang bata na tayo nito. Anyway, tapos na po akong grocery. Si Tammy busy. Tinagtawag-tawagan ko kaso ayaw sumagot. Sabi niya may ka-FaceTime daw siya. Hindi ko marinig kung sino yung ka-FaceTime niya, pero sabi. Okay, this is what I got. Show me what is that. Okay, burger, dalawang burger, and cranberry, and then itong milk ni Tammy, and this clementines that he asked, and this one pickles, and this one is go upstairs. This will go upstairs. The eggs go upstairs. That's it. We're just gonna put this out.
Anything else upstairs?
No.
Be down here?
Yeah. Salad, and then what else? Burger bun and hot dog bun for tomorrow. And then ito, gagawa ako ng macaroni, and ito yung binili ko. And ito for snacky din. Yan, may ginagawa din siya. May tinatrabaho din siyang iba. Mga salida, mga movie. I-download.
Two is enough, or do you think it's three?
Almost done, guys, sa sa macaroni. Macaroni salad. Okay, I'm done. Okay, lang ito. Para That's good. Oh, baby.
Okay.
Baby.
You put this around away.
Baby.
See?
No kisses.
I'll be back.
How dare you? Hintayin natin yung halik.
Now, I put everything downstairs, so we still have some room up here.
I love you. I've been waiting here, huh? Hello guys! Alas 4:30 na. So ngayon, ang plano ni Mr. is pumunta naman siya sa tindahan. Kasi hindi siya... Anyway, punta lang kami sa tindahan kasi may gusto di Tammy itong gawin the other day pa. Pero hindi namin nagawa. So ngayon daw siya punta doon sa grocery store, bibili ng lobster para ibigay sa yung sa matanda na And then he also made barbecue chicken, and look, pinadalhan niya ng chicken. What is this, honey? Macaroni. And listen to me, that's all you get, huh? Tommy?
Yeah.
Please hurry up.
Well, I'm sure it's going to take them 5 minutes to cook the lobster.
Bring your phone, I'll call you. Dito lang ako, and hintayin ko lang si Tammy kasi siya, nag-grocery. Yun lang yung babilhin daw niya. Yung tawag nito? Lobster at saka sa tubig. Hindi, kalimutan ko na wala pala akong yawi. Andun pala sa kanya yung yawi. Wala pala sa akin yung yawi. So pag alis niya, dinadrop ko lang siya sa harapan. Pag alis niya is nang yung sasakyan is access yawi, wala talaga. At saka ang ulan, grabe na yung ulan, ang langit, na siya yung tawag nito. Ang lakas ng ulan, grabe. Takot ako sa ganito. Ginoo ko, Lord. Ang itim ng ang itim ng langit. Ang lakas ng ulan, oh. Oh my God. May ambulance pa doon. Hanaford. Dito lang ako. Sabi ko kay Tammy, dito lang ako, malapit sa entrance. Ang lakas ng ulan, grabe, no. Ito ba, kawawa tong lalaki, oh. Kawawa siya do. May dala pang aso. Thunder and lightning, guys. Hala ka, oy, ang lakas talaga. Oh my God. Ubo ako ng ubo. Tapos na si Tami. We are here and my camera is dead. Yun, ubo ako ng ubo, guys. Sabi ko, hindi na ako papasok. Ando na si Tami. Pumasok siya. Sabi ko, ay, sabihin mo lang sa kanya, dito ako sa labas. Hindi na ako papasok dahil ubo ako ng ubo. Hindi naman ito din something na COVID kasi 'di ba? Ano lang talaga, avoid lang ta kasi matanda na, 'di ba? So anyway, guys, so I guess hindi ako makapag-vlog sa camera kasi talaga puno siya. And then I try to delete some of the footage. Hindi ko alam kung alin yung na-edit ko na kasi may na-edit na akong ilan-ilan. And then hindi ko alam kung alin yung i-delete ko kasi hindi ko sure kung ayaw ko muna mag-delete, so ito na lang cellphone muna yung gamitin natin.
This is the only size they had.
Yeah, right. Look at here.
You're annoying.
Look. Talk, this is your vlog.
I got nothing.
This is your
Sit
vlog.
down and eat your food.
Welcome to
Where's
the
your knife?
biggest
You need a knife.
lobster. No, I don't need a knife.
I gotta cut the lobster.
Okay, I'm gonna open this for you.
I'm not having it.
No, you
I'm
are
not
going to
keep going
have
through
it,
this, huh?
Tommy. You
No.
are gonna have it
I
with
do
me.
not want. I got chicken. Thank you. No.
Lobster, 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 the biggest lobster on earth. Lobster, lobster. Honey, my face is bigger than this. Oy, honey, oy.
You're not very good at this, huh? The whole thing should just come right out of there.
That perhaps.
In case you want to give them a little bit.
Did you put lemon here?
Lemon juice right there. I didn't put any lemon in it. You told me not to put no lemon in it.
You need bigger. If you wanna eat this, you're gonna spend like bigger one big lobster. You think I'm not gonna get the lobster? I'm gonna get the king crabs. Not the big legs. Here, honey, eat. Eat.
I don't want it. Like,
Yeah, right.
you don't think no.
And it's not pressure burn. When you look, promise.
Yep.
Hala, the wife,
Yes.
the ex-wife,
Like Neil show.
the wife from the other.
Hey, feel like your first slap of meat.
That's him, right? That's her. Okay, guys, we're gonna end the vlog. The neighbor, so
Oh, did they bring him
yeah,
in this show?
I think because
No,
there
no.
is also the the neighbor too, like, but it's still not seeing the face. One time, you don't remember?
Maybe I didn't see that episode.
You still cannot see his face.
But I know he brought Alan to the show. Two of the kids.
Anyway, guys, we're gonna end the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you guys next time.
Hi guys.
I miss Labi-Dabi with him. He's so cute, guys. Look at it.
He's not, guys.
You know what? Give him some free calamari too.
Ay, nako. Ala ka, you're gonna be in trouble tonight.
Kiss you like Roxy.
Do you wanna be in trouble?
Too much coughing.
I love you. Hopefully this is nothing, honey. Night, night.
Hi guys.
Night. Bye. Good night. Roxy's afraid of everything, guys. Anyway.